Hello, welcome to a new video. My name is Flo. Today I want to share with you the 4-7-8 breath. Sometimes this is also known as the sleeping breath because it's said to improve your sleep quality, help you breathe less, help you calm down, especially if you need to calm down quickly. So if you're in a situation, even outside somewhere, something happens, you can apply and do this breath for a couple of minutes and then usually calm down. It's really nice to induce a state of relaxation, reduce the stress, and it's also very beneficial during labor to just calm down a little bit more as things can get intense. Ideally, you do this practice for 10 to 20 minutes every day. So in general, how I like to sequence breathwork and meditation is first doing ideally movement, and then you do breathwork, and then the breathwork gets more relaxing and then eases into meditation. So you can simply stop with the breathwork and then it continues into meditation in a very smooth way. I will just share with you today 5 minutes of the 4-7-8 breathing, but I recommend you integrate it into your practice so it fits your schedule, fits your needs. And this is especially great if you are more in a aroused state, a more sympathetic tonus of your nervous system, and you want to calm down, quiet down, relax, and shift more into parasympathetic state activation. So if you had a low CP count in the control pause or CO2 stress test video, which I will link up here in the corner, then this is one of the ways to increase your CO2 tolerance and to calm down a bit more, in addition to many others. So you can take a look at the description below. You can also take a look up here into the breathwork playlist for more videos just like this one. Make sure you come into a comfortable seated position. I recommend doing this sitting, ideally on the ground, cross-legged, but if that doesn't work, sit on a chair. And if that doesn't work, you can also lay down. Sit nice and tall, place your hands wherever it's comfortable. And we will have a timer going on the screen with the counts and also the current state. So if you're holding, if you're inhaling, if you're exhaling. So again, it's a 4-second inhale, a 7-second hold after that inhale, and then an 8-second exhale. Take a moment to arrive. You can close your eyes if you want to and simply listen. But at some point I will just let you go and then we have the instructions on the screen. Feel the breath, the normal rhythm of your breath without changing anything. And then take a deep breath in slowly for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue to inhale for 4. Then hold for 7. Exhale for 8. And then again, inhale for 4. Continue on your own. We also have the instructions on the screen if you want to follow those. Make sure you're sitting nice and tall. Relax the shoulders down. And we're simply doing 5 minutes in this video today to introduce you to it. Finish up this current round. That means after the 8-second exhale, you come back to a regular, uncontrolled breath. Just let the breath flow. Keep your eyes closed for another minute to simply feel the body, feel the breath. Simply taking in how you're feeling without evaluating, without judging it right away. If you want, you can blink your eyes open. Welcome back. Thank you for trying out this breath practice with me today. This is one of the breath practices promoted by Dr. Weil, known as the sleeping breath, which is said to help you fall asleep faster and also help you sleep deeper and more sound. Thanks for practicing with me today. I hope you find a way to integrate this into your schedule, into your practice. There's now, and in general, so many techniques out there that you might feel a bit overwhelmed. What breathwork should I do? Should I do all of them? And usually the practice changes, and this is why the CP score, the control pause or the CO2 stress test, is such a good indicator of what you currently need. And it tells you you might need something more down-regulating, and then you have in our playlist a whole series of practices that are down-regulating. And maybe in some moments you need something up-regulating, and then you can choose between these several options for up-regulating breathwork practices, and you do the one or the ones that feel good in this moment, maybe for a few days or weeks, and then it's also okay to change it. It doesn't mean that you have to practice all of them every single day, because it's very, very individual what you need in this moment and that day. And so this is why there's such a huge variety of breathwork practices for you to choose from. Again, thanks so much for being here, for practicing with me, and for allowing me to share this practice with you today. I'm excited to see you in the next one. Let me know in the comments below how you're doing. Lots of love and gratitude. Namaste.